All right, welcome back to my channel. This is an Indian Redneck. So the video we're doing today is not just bump firing, but in some of the comments on my videos and even just around town, and people I know ask, well, what can you hit with bump firing? So we're gonna find out today. We got some targets here. Gonna use the AK pistol and my AR pistol, and we're gonna get to the answer to that question. The first distance is 6 feet, and then I'm just gonna move progressively back and we'll see how many rounds we can get on target. All right, 6 feet. Let's see what we got. All right, so we just did 20 rounds. We're just gonna be 20 rounds today in each mag because of ammo, and I'm not monetized yet. But at 6 feet, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 rounds on paper. So let's move it on back and see what we can do. All right, so 6 feet, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, there's 20 shots. I can't count, but my buddy at Dawson Page counted it for me. So that's 20 shots. So at 6 feet, bump fire is effective on a target. All right, so we just did the AK pistol at 6 feet. Now we're going to do the AR pistol, and we'll see what we got. All right, so the AR pistol, 6 feet, all 20 shots ended up on the paper. So now we're gonna move it back to 10 feet, or well, 16 feet back, so 16 feet, and then just repeat the process. So we've moved back 16 feet from the target, and we're gonna see what we can do, because with the last distance where I shot the Truly cans from, I only hit one, but one's all you need. But anyway, so 16 feet, let's give it a go. So 16 feet back, 19 holes right here, and through one. So even just 10 feet back, it's already starting going out the door. So we're gonna do it again with the AR pistol, then move it even farther back. All right, so AR pistol is next. As you saw with the AK, we threw around. So once you start moving back, obviously your accuracy is gonna degrade. But 20 rounds, 16 feet. All right, so the first mag at 16 feet with this was incredibly low. There's only like 4 rounds on target. The group is good, but we're gonna run it again to see if we can get it on paper. All right, so we redid it much better this time. So we have 17 on target and then 3 flyers. So it's already starting, the accuracy's going down for distance. I mean, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen, and we're bump firing. So we're gonna move it on back and then see what we can do. All right, so we've moved back to 32 feet, and we're going to try to do our best. It's really hot out here, so the gun's starting to get hard to hold, but 32 feet, AK-47 pistol. All right, so at 32 feet, we have 17 on the paper, and then 3 went somewhere, but that's actually better than I thought it was going to be. So let's get the AR pistol loaded back up and see what we can do with that. All right, so 32 feet, AR-15 pistol. All right, so I went kind of way to the left with 32 feet, so we only got 7 on the target. But like I said, at that distance, I'm surprised we got any. And we're going to go back to our final distance and run this in the AK pistol one more time. So we're at our final distance, 82 feet from the target. Let's see what we can get on paper. All right, so our final distance, 82 feet, 1 and 2. So after probably 32 feet, you're not gonna hit too much of anything bump firing. So let's move on to our final gun, the AR-15 pistol, which even at 32 feet, that was kind of, ooh. So yeah, let's do it for science. All right, so apparently in the quest to find out where our rounds went, up there is where most of them went. So as you can see, if you were trying to bump fire, this would not be very effective, as they go way too high. You wouldn't hit anything. Hell, even the majority look like they're up there. They're still over my head, and I'm 5'9", so you wouldn't really hit anybody unless the dude was 7 feet tall. So final distance, AR pistol, 82 feet. All right, so our final distance, 82 feet. We actually, the AR pistol kind of sort of redeemed itself, because we have 9 on paper. That's way better from closer up. That's way better than I thought it was gonna do. I didn't think it was gonna hit a single time. So that wraps it up for the vid. Thank you all for watching the Indian Redneck. I'll see you next time. We finished shooting it, and we were hoping to not hit the cinder blocks so we could use them for future use. But that was our first shot, and then lo and behold, we managed to hit on the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3, and we managed to recover a bullet. So yeah, this worked as a target stand, but you hit them, they're gonna start falling apart. So all right, thank you everybody, see you next time.